Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips, and Amazon Prime to the rescue. I bought something for the lockers. So just to complete the whole process, when you put on any kind of locks on lockers, you got to put some handles on there. Unless the lock is big enough, and there are some locks that exist out there, electronic locks, that have a ridge on the edge. Complex regulator locks, they're all ridged, so you just pick them up. But for the most part, you have to buy some handles. So I got some killer ones from Amazon, and they're not very expensive at all. It came in one day, and they're super cool. All aluminum anodized. We're going to get a close look at them. And I only paid $23.99. What a great deal. And they're $2.40 per handle. I only needed 6, but they come 10 to a package. So let's get a close look at this box. So here they are close up. This is a real beautiful little pull. They're lightweight aluminum. Now they go on the inside edge of the door, so no fastening screws will show. And here they are on the internet. So they're called Golden Warm. Let's look at the box here. Golden Warm cabinet pulls. And they are very nicely packaged, as I may say. Look at all sealed, beautiful. Come with the screws. And they're only $2.40 a piece. And you have to buy 10. That one was cut. I don't know why. But I checked, it's got a slight little cut on the inside there, but it's not. You can take a permanent marker and put over it. It's on the inside. And I only needed 6 anyway. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys on, and I'll drop a link where you can get them on the internet, from Amazon. Great little pulls. Look at that. I mean, they feel great, and they won't hurt. No sharp edges. So they had other ones that are square edged, but these were all nice and roundy. Okay, let's take a look on the cabinet. So you go ahead and lay out these little holes, and I always like to put a little tape around my drill. This is an 1/8" drill, so that I don't go too deep, because if you go too deep and you drill through the front of this little Formica, and you've ruined the door. And after all this investment, you don't want to do that. So you don't have to center punch it. Use a good sharp drill bit, and everything's cool. I always start at the top and work my way down. This is kind of fundamental, but might as well show it. We've got the video time. Isn't that sweet? So it wraps around these little doors, even the rounded edges. So if you get the factory edge door and you just keep it, isn't that cool looking? I love it. It's beautiful. The little handle is so slim that it would go between, build-up lockers, if you have a bunch of them, and also these little bumpers. These are the low-profile bumpers. It does not hit. This is really slick. Man, I love that. So the handle has to go with a lock that has nothing to grab onto. And the manual, this Micro IQ lock, it says right in the manual, use alternative, handles on your locker. So that's what they suggest. That's what I did. I notice a little flex here, but that's the aluminum flexing. And this is a rounded edge. These are really probably meant for a square edge. But I don't think that flex is going to hurt anything. You can put 2-way tape on there, stick it on there better. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to 2-way tape on the inside to catch on this rounded edge. They'll make it better. I bought this off of Amazon as well. It's called X Fasten, and this stuff is paper thin, and man, is it sticky. So I use that on like weather stripping that I have to apply like a zero stop, you know, a drop stop on the inside of doors. They only have like 3 screw fasteners, so I always put 2-way tape on their aluminum as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the back side of all my handles. Why not? Overkill's better. I went and applied that to the door. It's easier. I was trying to put it on the handle itself, and you know, that makes for a ball of mess. So I'll go ahead and just put it right here on the door. You can get 2-way tape that's clear, but this is white, so I don't want it, you know, peeking out on the face here underneath the handle. So let's just see how that does. I bet you that'll stable it right up. Wow. All I'm going to say is wow. That 2-way tape totally made that tight. And nothing's showing. Nobody can see it, so cut it like a 1/4 inch short. And don't go all the way to the edge on the inside. Wonderful difference. Oh, and I guarantee you when I put it on the flat ones, it'll really make it great. I don't want these breaking off in use. This is super simple. Costs you nothing, and overkill's better on something like this. High use. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I love these handles. And you know what? I think I just thought of a better way to put on handles. That 2-way tape, I stuck it all on all of them, and then I could just put the screws in instead of fighting the handles. You could have your helper go ahead and put that all on, and all the handles would be all stuck in place, and you just put the screws in. But, you know, everybody's got their own little tricks. So hopefully this has helped tonight. You got to make sure there's no dust and debris, especially if you're working in hospitals, because dust really kills the patient and they will throw you out of the hospital. So you locksmiths, when you're buying these cabinets, you can install the handles, the locks, sell the whole thing, and you really, really save them a lot of middlemen trouble. So hopefully this has been helpful to you all. Please subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips. Tell your friends, ring the bell, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thank you so much. I was going through their manual, that Micro IQ manual, and it definitely stated auxiliary handles are needed. I see why you can't even open the doors. It really is difficult. You have to reach up or down. And if you have stacks of these lockers, you're not going to be reaching through your fingers on that little 1/8 of an inch hole. So handles are important. You know, you can get a different style. I thought these were really high-tech cool and simple to work with. And that 2-way tape, what a trick. So subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, and I'll have more tips like this coming your way. Thank you so much.